Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make a virtual machine in Windows 10 and 11. This method is free and easy to do, so let's get started. First let's see what we need. First we are going to need an installation of VirtualBox. And then we are going to need an ISO, or basically a virtual disk that can install Windows for us. For today this guide is based upon Windows. Great, we now know what we need, so let's go get them. To start, search up VirtualBox and then hit downloads. Depending on what OS you are running on your main machine, choose the option that is correct. I also highly recommend you to download the extension pack, as some virtual machines will require it. With all that out of the way, let's set up VirtualBox. Since I already have VirtualBox installed, I will not be able to show the installation process, but it is about the same as setting up Chrome lol. So anyway, with VirtualBox now installed, what now? Well, first we need to get our ISO image and set up our virtual machine. So then how do we get an ISO file? The answer is quite simple actually. Go into Chrome and search up a website called Internet Archive. Fun fact, Internet Archive also owns the Wayback Machine. When you are there, go up to the top right corner of the page and search whatever Windows, Mac or Linux version you want. I searched up Windows 7 since I will be using it. As you can see, there are many Windows copies. When you choose one, click it and look on the right for an option that says ISO. After that, choose your edition. I recommend taking Windows copies from Microsoft's official Internet Archive page. I will have it linked down below. Great, we have everything that we need, let's get started. To start, open up VirtualBox. We will learn how to make a virtual machine. Click New. Name your virtual machine. Then we need to select our ISO that we downloaded. To do this, hit the drop down arrow and locate your disk. After that, select it. And now on the bottom, select Skip Unintended Installation. Hit Next. Now we must give our VM some hardware. This will use part of your computer's power, so make sure not to go over the orange and red bar. This section will actually take your computer's space depending if you are using an external drive or not. You can put this on a separate drive by going back and selecting the path where the VM is going to. Hit Browse and select your external drive. You can review this to make sure that everything here is correct. Alright, now everything is ready. Now we move on to the final part, of which is booting up the VM and installing Windows. If you don't know how to install Windows, follow me. The process is about the same from Windows 7 to Windows 11. Things are a bit different from Windows 95 to Windows XP. Let's start the VM. Since this will take a while, I am going to speed this part up a bit. This is where we install Windows. Click Next, then Install Now. Agree to the EULA and hit next. After that select the disk partition. This is not your physical PC's partition, only the VMs. After that just let it load. It may take some time.
Oh shit, not good.
Windows will ask to restart. Let the countdown end, and when it restarts don't do anything and let the next countdown finish. Now we are in the OOBE, just follow it. I will be skipping this part. See you on the other side. Here we are, Windows 7. Congratulations if you made it through. You have made a virtual machine. So how are we supposed to shut the VM down? Easy, just shut it down as you would on a physical PC. Well guys, that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps me grow my channel. Thanks, and goodbye.